Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the home tab. So which are the options which are available in the home tab of the PowerPoint presentation systems. So starting with the different layouts which are available in this, okay, they are predefined fonts which are used in the home tab. Okay, for example, I have added microbiology, bacteria in here. You can add a new slide by just clicking on this button, and there are a variety of layout options also, whichever you would like to use. You can create your own layout options also if you need. Okay, next slide. This is a new layout option. Some of the options are available in the slide itself if you want to add online pictures or you want to add offline pictures also. Right now I am not connected to internet, so it will not work. Okay, offline pictures, whichever I would like to add. Okay, okay, this is how it works. And next, title which you would like to add. You can also format this. For example, I'm going to select this and I want to change my fonts. You can also change the fonts. You can increase the size. Okay, you can decrease the size. So these options here, it is almost similar to that of Word, but there are a few other options also. For example, in this case, this S which is shown here, it is the text shadow options. You can select this, and this is a text shadow one. Now what is the difference between this text shadow options? Now this one is a font where I have used text shadow. Now this is the font where I am going to disable the shadow. This is how there will be a difference in these sections. Another option, you can strike through, which is also in the word. Next option, I want to add more space, or I want to decrease the space. For example, I'm going to add more space between the letters, less space between the letters. Okay, this is how it works. Normally, by default, it will be normal. Next option, I can highlight the text. By this option, I can change the color. And these options in the paragraph are similar to that of Word itself. You can use whichever you would like to add, whichever you would like to use. Okay. Next option, which is also given here, again one column, two column, or three column options, whichever you would like to use. This is one is a line spacing option. Next one, in this case, text direction. Okay, text direction, stacked, and again horizontal, whichever you would like to use. Okay, next option, shapes. This shapes option is also given in the insert tab also if you would like to use. Okay, I have placed here itself because of my personal use. Okay, next option, if you want to arrange, for example, now I want the word bacteria to appear. I will select this square and click on right click and send to back. Now you can see bacteria will be seen here. That is how the arrange function works. Okay, you can align, you can even rotate. Okay, whichever you would like to, whatever you would like to do. So these are the some of the options of the arrange function which is given here, or rotate. Okay, you can change the outline color, whichever you'd like to use. For example, I'm going to use yellow, and change the weight. So these are the some of the options, again similar to the word. Okay, next one is the shape fill. I have selected the word microbiology here, and I would like to add different colors, you can see, or you can want to create a gradient, or you want to create a shape effect. See how it looks now. Okay, you want to go for a 3D rotation type effect. Okay, whichever effect you would like to use, it's on you. Or you want to have a B level type effect and no rotation also, whichever you'd like to use. Now this option, two options, again this is my for my personal use. Okay, and find, replace, and this select options are again the one which we use in the word also. Okay, for example, I want to select this. Okay, I have selected. I can check the selection pane also, which is given here. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you.